This is little Katie. She got Sadie's pig's ear in her mouth. Sadie's waiting patiently. Katie likes it. Is that good? Is that good? She stole it right out of Sadie's mouth. Nana might have to get... Oh, they're going to share it. Sadie got it back. Nana might have to get another one. Oh.
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 What happened?
Katie's going to make her move. Here she comes. Sadie's getting smart.